A historical spring snowstorm wreaked havoc this past weekend over eastern South Africa, especially the Free State, Lesotho and KwaZulu-Natal. Now, spring snow is normal for South Africa, especially over the mountain peaks, but this was definitely an unusual, unprecedented snow event, with some spots receiving more than 2 meters of snow. The Van Rooyen Pass was completely closed down, leaving multiple vehicles and people stranded overnight in their cars due to the disruptive heavy snowfall. And the videos looked like a scene out of an apocalypse movie. Thankfully, the roads have been cleared, but please proceed with caution. The roads can still be slippery out there. Now the question is, can you expect dry weather after this extreme weather this past weekend on Heritage Day? Let's see. This Heritage Day, we are expecting a fresh northeasterly wind to blow along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, strong over the northern coastline. Later, an onshore flow expected for the southern coastline, and also a fresh northwesterly wind blowing over the interior of South Africa. It is going to be windy and dusty at times, with also a high fire danger in place for the Northern Cape, Northwest, as well as Free State and Eastern Cape. This is due to an upper level trough that's bringing down some cloud and enough moisture for isolated thunderstorms to move over the Free State, the Eastern Cape and later parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Only isolated storms expected early the morning here over parts of the Eastern Cape, and later moving over the Free State, spreading eastwards over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Very patchy storms likely to bubble up over Northwest and the rest of KwaZulu-Natal, with also a chance of a few storms reaching the southern parts of Gauteng into Tuesday evening. A poor PV harvest where it's cloudy on Tuesday here in the Eastern Cape, but sunny skies expected in the northern as well as the northeastern parts of South Africa. A northerly wind blowing along the coast of the Western Cape on Tuesday, bringing in some cloud with maximum temperatures below 20 degrees, but a mainly sunny and warm day for the rest of the Western Cape, becoming hot in parts of the Karoo as well as the Little Karoo with temperatures in the upper 20s. Later, that onshore flow blowing along the southern coastline, comfortable at times over there with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. A few morning thunderstorms, as mentioned, likely to move over the southern regions of South Africa. Isolated storms also expected to move over the Eastern Cape and the coastal regions on Tuesday throughout the day, but that northwesterly wind also causing bergwind conditions for the coastal towns, with a hot 28 expected in East London. A northeasterly wind later blowing strong in Richards Bay and fresh between Durban and Port Shepstone. Otherwise, a partly cloudy day for the rest of KwaZulu-Natal, temperatures in the upper 20s, and I would say perfect bright conditions for Mpumalanga, with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s and some cloud expected to move overhead. Also, a lovely warm to very warm day for Limpopo. Bright conditions are looking good with sunny skies in the low veld and temperatures in the upper 20s. It is going to be a little bit windy at times in northwest, partly cloudy skies, and as mentioned, a few patchy storms are likely to bubble up here and there. Also, windy conditions on Tuesday for the Northern Cape, a level 2 warning issued for damaging winds, and also a high fire danger in place, with a few isolated storms likely over the eastern as well as the southern regions. That wind also picking up in the Free State on Tuesday on Heritage Day, partly cloudy skies and isolated storms likely in the Free State. I still think you'll be able to braai, but a lovely braai day or Heritage Day for Gauteng with 24 in Pretoria. Partly cloudy skies at times. The wind might pick up ahead of a few isolated storms likely into the evening. And then on Wednesday, we've got a cold front that's going to bring light rain for the Western Cape, spreading along the southern coastline, partly cloudy skies and warmer weather for the rest of South Africa. Into Tuesday, showers spreading along the southern coastline into the western as well as the Eastern Cape, with temperatures over there around 20 degrees and much hotter conditions for the east, with a high of 31 in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Heritage Day.